Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you are joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is the platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course make sure you do your personal practice. Okay, you should practice and perfect your trading skill very well before you go fully into it. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything I'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the trading activities. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve. But you can always grow my small trading capital into something you can grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000 on 5-minute time frame. This had been on downtrend for a very long time, got to this support zone, pulled back, and of course went back down again to get to this support zone. It went on a buy trend for a few periods before going back on downtrend. Okay, if it's unable to break out below this support zone, then it will go back on buy trend fully and break out above this resistance zone. But for now it is still selling. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it is unable to break out above the below the support zone. Okay, so the next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, so this is boom 500. Boom 500 started a buy trend right from here and it came to an end around there. So at the moment it is on downtrend, so it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Just watch out for the support zones. Okay, crash 1000 is the next asset, and of course this is crash 1000. Started a downtrend from here, got to this region, was unable to break out below it, and it bought for a while, and this resistance zone gave it a kind of problem for it to break, and it pulled back again. It was a major pullback. The market's range around there for a while, and it's about to break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy more, and when it breaks out from this particular resistance zone, then it will even buy more than that. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. The next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500, and of course this was on downtrend after getting to this resistance zone. It sold for a while, but it was unable to go below this support zone, and it is buying at the moment. But here is a resistance zone which it needs to break out from. Once it breaks out from there, then it's going to buy more. But for now, this is going to be giving us more of a buying opportunity than a selling opportunity. Then the next asset is going to be V75, which is volatility 75. Volatility 75 was on downtrend and came to an end around there, so it started a buying trend from there, got to this resistance zone, was unable to go above that, so it pulled back a bit in order for it to buy more again, and of course it still sold for a while. Okay, so this is still more of a downtrend than an uptrend, except if it is unable to break out below the support zone. That is when it will go back on a buy trend. But for now, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect a trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the trading strategies, and of course practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God